Introducing the 2021 Skoda Kodiaq 7S AMB 2.0 Ti 150 HP DSG in blue. Loaded with top-of-the-line features including Bluetooth, cruise control and ambient lighting. Safety is paramount with ABS, parking assistance and collision avoidance braking. Stylish touches like chrome package and privacy glass set this vehicle apart. Don't miss out on the limited slip differential and self-driving capabilities. Rest assured with a comprehensive warranty, full health and safety check, and servicing to manufacturer specifications. Visit our website spiritskoda.ie or call us today for more information on this exceptional vehicle. Drive home in luxury and confidence with the 2021 Skoda Kodiaq.